Welcome back to another video. So how you can use dynamic wallpaper? Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, in Windows 11. So just open the settings. Now you can see the personalize option. Click on personalize option and you can see there is option of background. Okay, here you can see the pictures options. Okay, you can select the pictures if you want to, just like select the pictures, and here you can add multiple pictures at a time. Okay, also one more option here, that if you click on themes, okay, themes like this theme, okay, this one, okay, I have 4 images in this theme. Okay, when I click on the 4 images in this theme, I can change. This is a dynamic. Okay, you can also manually change the pictures, and as well as it will automatically update your pictures within a 10 or 20 minutes. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.